Hello everyone, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 27th October 2022. Today's my Viva topic is the OOPS concepts in Java. So OOPS stands for Object Oriented Programming Systems. This is the Object Oriented Programming System is the pentagram that provide concepts such as the inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation and abstractions. The next is the consider the first object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming language, the everything is represent often the objects programming language. It's object oriented programming language. The popular object oriented programming language is the C, C++, Java and Python and etc. The main of the object oriented programming implemented the words abstraction. Example is object classes, abstraction, encapsulation and inheritance. This is the advantages in the server OOPS concepts of the faster and easier to execute. The next is the OOPS provide the clear structure for the programs. Next is the OOPS helps to the Java code repeat the code and easier maintain modify the debugs. Next is the OOPS makes possible reusable application less than shorter times. OOPS concept programming object means a word of the everything as a pen, table, computers and fans. And object oriented programming methodology design the program in classes and the objects. It's simplify software development and maintained by the providing name of the any concept. First is the object, next is the class, next is the inheritance, next is the polymorphism and the abstraction and encapsulation. So first take is the objects. Objects is the easily such as the behavior of the objects. Example fan, cars and computers. Next is the and this is the object to be defined the such as the of a class. Next is the class. Class is the collection of objects or called is the class. It is logical operation. This is a class. Next is the inheritance. When the object next is the inheritance. When the object inherits programs behavior to the of process objects object in the inheritance. Next is the polymorphism. If one take task perform the difficult where if known as the polymorphism. Next is the next is the abstraction. This is the abstract the class binding a data into the showing the function and the for the examples is the this is the if known as the processing. Next is the encapsulation. Encapsulation is the encapsulation compiling the refers to the information of the this in class. Next is the this is the class of the objects and instance of the class. And this is next is the programming pentagram here is the known as the truly object oriented programming language. The main sum of the object oriented implemented so the word identifier. The example is the object classes, inheritance and abstraction and encapsulations. This is the using this in this OOPS concepts and the logical concepts in using these concepts. Next next is the from the concept are the some terms are used in the object oriented designs. First is coupling, next is cohesion, the next is compositions and aggregations. This is apart from the concept are the some terms in the use in the object oriented design in this OOPS concepts. Step by step in this using these concepts, the object stands for the the OPS concept stands for the object oriented programming systems that's using this logical and methodological operations, and using this OOPS concept provide the clear structure for the programs, and the object oriented programming pentagram provide the many concepts, so such as the in this encapsulation, inheritance, and abstraction, and inheritance. The inheritance, the consider the polymorphism is the consider first object the pentagram wherein the everything represent to the object programming language, truly the object oriented programming language. This is the programming considered the first is the popular object oriented programming language in any C hash, C++, PHP, Python, and Java. OOPS concept step by step solution in this Java abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Class object is the instance of a class and runtime entity in this using in this OOPS concepts. Class is the blueprints. This and object is the any times running with the this prints in this concepts, and the main method object oriented entities implemented to the abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, object oriented programming, etc. OOPS concepts features of the OOPS concept is the fast and easier. OOPS concept is the simple concept. OOPS concepts provide a clear structure for the programs. That's OOPS helps to the Java codes, and any don't repeat for yours makes the easier to maintain, modify the debugs in these concepts. OOPS makes its applications with the shorter and development times. In this OOPS concept, OOPS object oriented programming language, object oriented programming systems means words the entity such as the pen, chair, table, computer, cars in etc. This is the part from the their concepts such as the some other names terms are used in the object designs, coupling, cohesions, aggregation, and competition. This is the main object oriented designs using this some terms in this using in this OOPS concepts. Next is this concepts is the very using this conditions, and next is the OOPS by the keep the Java code dry, don't repeat repeat, and makes a code easier to maintain, modify the debug in these concepts. The programming the object programmings represent the objects programs smallest. The consider the first the popular object in these other languages, and this is the provide the concept such as the any other concept is the object class, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation in these systems. The next is the coupling. Coupling is the refers to the of the some another class. Next is the cohesion. Cohesion is the refers level to compounds perform the singles define the task. Next is the association. Association is refers repetition. Therefore, the types of the associate one to the one to one, one to many, and many to one, and many to many. This is the part of the concept are the some terms are the use in this object designs. So this is concept is the object oriented programming systems. So thank you.